thank you for tuning in, guys. It's another video, and it's probably one I covered before, but I always try to cover everything I do if I can. So I'm going to be pretty much showing you how to install spark plugs on your small block Chevy 350. It's pretty simple. Now, this is my C30. You might sing it in a few of the other videos. What we are doing today is giving it a little helpful tune-up. So what we got is AC Delco spark plugs. Now these supposed to come pre-gapped, but I'm going to recommend you always check your gaps on these because they can be off. Not even a factory is perfect when they make these. And right on the money, 35. So we take this back off. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure your engine is cooled off so you don't get burnt. And if you're doing this while it's on the truck, do one at a time. Just take one plug wire off at a time, and so you don't get them mixed up. Now this is the first one we're going to remove. Now 5/8 is a socket size. They make special sockets for this, but I'm just using a regular socket. As you can see, this is a spark plug. It actually looks like this engine is running pretty good now. It was a little witch before, but looks pretty good. There's a little bit of oil on this plug, but that's from where I filled it up the other day and kind of missed. But yeah, looks to be still in good shape. Now the gap on this, as they get age on them, they can actually wear down, so let us check it. And it's right on 35 too. But we're going to be replacing these with these AC Delco anyway. Okay. When installing your new plug, you want to make sure it starts easy and don't cross-thread. Tony is actually under the truck here removing the automatic cable because this is now a standard shift truck. It used to be an automatic and the cable was in the way. Now once you get this started, you want to snug it up and be careful, not go too tight. And then hook your spark plug wire back up and make sure it snaps on. And you want to do this to the rest of your spark plugs. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. I hope you enjoyed this short how-to video on replacing your spark plugs in the small block Chevy. Hopefully it's in a car with plenty of room. Leave me a comment. If you did enjoy this video, drop a like and hit that subscribe button. Show me some support. Appreciate it if you do. Thank you for watching.